All right, I am back again. I promised on that last short video that I would get a game running. Well, I also created a new classic workbench image for this. So there you are. I'm running the classic workbench 68K. Figured that was best considering my limited amount of chip RAM that's available on an Amiga 1000. If anybody knows how to get it to a fat Agnes, that would be great. Otherwise, I'm stuck with a standard Agnes. OG Agnes. Anyway, but you see I have enough memory there to run WHDLoad. And everything's in here. I got WHDLoad in. I have put one game on the second compact flash that comes with, or the slot at least, that comes with the ACA500Plus, which is just amazing. By the way, I'm really digging this machine. Anyway, so I'll do my best to hold this steady. I've only transferred one game so far. Everybody always does Frontier because they want to see benchmark-wise how it works. So once again, this is a ACA500Plus on an Amiga 1000, running at 28 megahertz because I can't get it to boot at 42 megahertz, which is just fine. 28's amazing as it is. Anyway, so here we go. Let's launch this thing. Remind you, this is an NTSC machine, not PAL, so for those PAL users, the audio might seem a little fast for you. So that is Frontier. Aside from a little bit of stuttering during the takeoff, or sorry, the landing and takeoff scene, I'm pretty confident that that's about as fast as it runs. I have to admit, though, this is so far, what little testing I've done has been just an amazing little kit. It's definitely, if you're definitely considering the ACA500Plus, go get it. It's worth the $150. You know what? One of the things about, and I apologize, I don't have a print screen button, so I can't. Hold on. It requires a print screen to reboot or to exit, and I don't have the exit. So let me see if I can. I can't do this one hand. Anyway, I had to reboot it. Here, I'll turn it off. So, you know, one of the things that I just can't emphasize enough for an Amiga 1000 is Kickstart. I don't have to worry about Kickstart anymore. So I can kick to 1.3 or 3.1. I want to do 3.1 if there's no floppy in it. It just works. There technically is no 3.1 Kickstart floppy, only a 1.3. So the fact that I've got 3.1 on here, this is a bone stock 1000, no mods, no switch kick or any soldering on the board. So, I mean, it's just a great way to go. If you're an Amiga 1000 owner, even if you're an A500 owner, I highly recommend it. I mean, this thing is just running so smooth. And that little thing, that flicker fixer, scan doubler, it's technically not a flicker fixer. What it is, it's a scan doubler, taking the signal and doubling it up. So it's not as good as a flicker fixer would be, but my goodness, if you're handy with the soldering gun and can make it, it's only $15 or so. Like I said, on eBay, the whole kit already done with the wiring all done, the modifications, like this one was about $75, so a little bit more, but you know, one of the advantages is also that it can be plugged into any Amiga, like my A1000 right here, or my A600 there, although that monitor there is a Dell that supports 15 kilohertz, so you don't really need it. Anyway, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching.